I had this particular problem, and majority of my clients also reported facing the same issue. And the issue is that your WhatsApp will be suspended, and when you request a review and they reinstate it, you will try to reinstall the WhatsApp, and it says that you need the official WhatsApp to log in, and it will ask you to go and download the official WhatsApp either from whatsapp.com or from the Play Store or App Store. Now, a majority of the people that reported this issue from my checks are mostly Android users. So let me show you why this problem happens. Though your WhatsApp app may be the original WhatsApp app, you've downloaded it from Play Store or the App Store, but you're still facing the issue, because when it happened to me, it was so disturbing and annoying because I'm not using any fake WhatsApp. So the issue is that there are some type of phones which the device may be having an issue on the Play Store, like with Play Protect. There is something called Play Protect. So let me show you something about Play Protect. So now, if you are using Android and you open a Play Store, for example, and you tap on your profile picture, you will see, when you scroll down, you will see settings, and you see Play Protect. Now, the Play Protect that you see here is a feature by Google, and you know Android operating system is owned by Google. So Google has a Play Protect feature on every Android phone, and it is in the Play Store, and that is what they use to scan and to verify that every app you are installing is protected by their security, or can be updated or conform with their security systems, and the one that is downloading it will not be vulnerable to any problem. So they also make sure that every device you are buying, any smartphone you are using, is certified by Play Protect before you can download any app. Now, some cases there may be an update on your phone, or there may be an update by Google Play Store, and that update failed to update with your smartphone, and so it means that your device may no longer be Play Protect certified. Now let's go to the settings and let me show you this. If you go to the settings, you see About. So you go to the About. When you get to the About, do you see Play Protect certification? It says device is certified. When your WhatsApp, you try to download, you delete the app, you do everything, and it doesn't work, come here and check whether the Play Protect is certified or not. If Play Protect is certified, then you should what you should do is that go and clear the cache of your WhatsApp app, clear the cache, and then you can even delete the data. But if you delete the data, it means that you may lose the chat. So you can clear the cache only, restart the phone, and then try to install WhatsApp again. So if your own is Play Protect certified, this is what you should do. You come, you tap on the app. So for example, you tap on it, then you go to this, then you go to storage, then you see clear cache. So you clear the cache. After you clear the cache, come and try to register the WhatsApp again, and most of the time it will be solved. I have done it for several of my clients who had the same issue. Then if it is written here that your device is not Play Protect certified, there are some devices you will come here and see that Play Protect is not certified. If the Play Protect is not certified, then it means that your issue has, that particular Play Protect certification has to be solved before you'll be able to get your WhatsApp reinstalled. So now what you should do is that you should come to your settings again and scroll to the bottom. You will see About, you see Software Update. So you go to the Software Update. You may see something like Check for Update. If you see Check for Update, then you tap on it and then make sure that you install it. Mine will see Download and Install. So when you tap on the Download and Install, if my software was not up to date, if I tap, I will see the latest version and I can download it and install it. When you download and install the latest update and you go back to Play Store, you see that the Play Protect certified may be resolved. And once that issue is resolved, then you can restart the phone and try to install WhatsApp, and it will get resolved. If you follow this step-by-step process and you still have any issue, please leave your comment in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description of this video to contact us for assistance on how to resolve your issue, and you will actually get a solution. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.